In this video, we're going to learn how to graph a point on the coordinate plane. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the point 9, 7 on the coordinate plane. This is the coordinate plane. It's just a graph and it has an x-axis and a y-axis. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is the origin. The origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. Okay? So we have a point x comma y. X is the position along the x-axis or x-coordinate, and y is the position along the y-axis or the y-coordinate. So for this particular point, we start at 0. And we first move along the x-axis because this is the x value. This is the y value. So if we start at 0 and move along until we hit 9, right? Move 9 units along the x-axis. This is the horizontal position. So how does that look? It would look like this. See the green line? And we've reached 9. So that's our X spot. Now for the Y, we move 7 units along the Y-axis. This is the vertical position. So that means we go up vertically up until we hit 7 on the Y-axis. So how would that look? It would look like this. So we first start here, go 9 along this way, and then we go up 7. Till we know we're at 7. And you could see the 7 here, right? But we stop here. So we could mark that spot as the spot of where 9 and 7 meet. And that's our 9, 7 point on the coordinate plane. So this is the introduction to graphing. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. You could just rewatch the video. Also, I have resources in the description with links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. Also, there's an ebook that you could download and you can follow along in the ebook and make notes as you go. And remember, anyone can do math.